What's up? Mr. Pelly BMX is here. Coming at you with another bike trick. Got some new stuff, as you can see. I would be riding, but as you can see right here, you probably can't really tell. But look, look at the top of the bug. It is like soaking wet. So I'm like, fuck that. I'm not trying to rain it. I'm trying to ride my bike in the rain. Got enough rest in my frame as it is. Alright, so I'm gonna start from the front and go to the back as usual. I got an ODI long neck grip in pink and an ODI long neck in black. Just want to mix it up, change it up, you know, make it somewhat unique. I got Kink Lattice bar ends in the crimson. Actually, well, I guess you can't really see it, but I don't have those little things inside to screw them down because they don't nut. Anyway, yeah, I'm not supposed to have these bar ends aren't like made for these bars, so I had to grind down the bar ends just to make them fit and use a hammer and smash them in there. It all worked out. I got S&M Perfect 10 bars, 10-inch rides, you know, Perfect 10s, but I actually cut them down to 28.5. I liked the 30, but it just wasn't doing it for me, so 28.5 just matched better. The Fit BF stem, which I traded for my Fit Download Rock stem. I know, not a good trade on my part, but I looked it up, and this stem's actually more expensive than that one, and so yeah, hold on, my brother's coming on the bus. Anyway, so hopefully he gets off the bus okay. I'm riding Sunday morning 2.14. Fit FAF front tire, Primo Balance laced to a stock hub. I'm not really sure what the hub is. I have no idea what the crack or something. I don't know. Anyway, stock peg. Hi Logan. Brother. Making a bike check. I'm riding the Colt OS V3 frame. I traded a frame for my Nitrous something. I don't know, Nitrous OG frame or something. It's 21. I traded for this. I like it a lot better. I got the rust going. Oh, hey, it was dropping like that. The Eclat headset in teal. Doesn't really match, but whatever. A custom seat. If you could tell, I did some hot gluing right here because I had to rip this out and it didn't really work out. But this is one of my old shirts, and I just refabricated the seat. You can tell because I had like a big ass chunk right here. Alienation pivotal post, and you can see I kind of ride it kind of high up. I don't really know, but I do it for hang fives and stuff. Animal PC bottom bracket in red. Primo hollow bike cranks. Ooh, it's 42 on breath. Nicest cranks I've ridden so far. I've never had a problem with them except for the pedal boss. I think everybody has that. Premium slim pedals, sealed. Shadow Scoop sprocket, polished. KMC cool chain. Once again, stock peg. My pride and joy is this back rim. Oh my god, I fucking love this thing. I'm trying to trade it, but I mean, like, it's nice. It's an Odyssey Hazard hoop laced to a Shadow Ramp V1 hub, but I currently have a V2 driver in there, and that is because they don't sell parts of the V1 hub anymore, so I have to ride it with the V2 in there, but it works. And since everybody fucking, give me a bass check, or give me a sound check, whatever, then yeah, I know, I have kind of a hop in there, but that's only because it's a 48 spoke hub, and I'm missing 11 spokes. So it'll work out. We can set that up again. So yeah, that's my bike. It's my pride. It's my joy. I like this thing more than I like my girlfriend. Not really, but no. Yeah. So comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. Yeah. Alright, well, I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.